You understand the exercise, so I'm going to just jump into this in case there is actually some kind of service problem. So I think manic depression first. And, your thumb position is the whole trip here with what we're doing. And, fluid, 4 fingers ready at all times. And we have this. Which we're doing kind of just to be a hard ass. It totally goes. Which is a different skill set because you've got to get a good, where it comes to rest on that strength. So there's value to doing it both ways. 3 ways. Barring. Let's see some fret there. Anyway, so then we get all. So your thumb is moving the entire time, your fluid, just start with 4 fingers ready to do stuff, and then take your pinky out, you're not going to use it. So recognize this is the same as going, in major, so. We're like, well, where we're at. Anyway, so. That's everything in the song. So, I would get really good at that before you try I Dig a Pony, as they're really similar structurally. And that's good, because so there we had a single note soundy slide, and then later we're going to have 2 note soundy slides anyway, so. Which is the same as going, my girl, so. And then you start right where you ended, And those 2 are identical. So you get at that, and then move on, and then we go, so we've just gone. And that was not a slide, it's strike, strike, strike. And then we immediately go, so, which shouldn't actually be hard, you just have to, formality of like actually going over it, it's totally just these 2 fingers. And mainly that one, just move your thumb, you're not going 7 to 9, you're just accenting the note 9 with a slide, and a half step won't do. We noticed this weird thing about you starting like here on the fret, which is making everything more difficult. It might be because originally your world went here, and there was an advantage to that because you could reach the 3rd and all this other shit that goes back to when you had less hand strength and less mobility. But either way. Anyway, there were. No, we get it. And then pointed out how that was like going. All your rockabillys. Not a day tripper. That's where we get this here, so. There we are, real tempo, another couple slow ones. If you look at what you did, it's really the same thing. You can see where they came up with the idea, it's just, you were just here. And that's the exact same thing you're doing here. So just going on its own. 7, slide to 9, or 7 to 9, whatever. Not just either way, that's probably the hardest part. So guitar, and then we did if you were playing it in, pentatonic 2, how it would go. Yeah, it would just be like. And so forth. So you could totally learn it there too, just to see the parallels, and that'll be easier for you, and it's not like you can't play those figures, just some other songs.